Foster a sense of community in your classroom with culturally responsive teaching units. Get to know your students and empower them to build connections, collaborate, and expand their worldviews. Theme-based activities include inspirational and realistic fiction stories, creative writing prompts, songwriting, hands-on activities and art activities, video projects, and more. Reflective writing activities help students share their unique experiences and perspectives. Collaborative projects and whole class activities inspire students to learn about each other's cultures. Project menus allow for student choice. Create connections between students' learning and their lives with culturally responsive lessons and activities.